Assalamualaikum Ustazah and friends. My name is ArFa Afina. Today I want to present my talks about vocab nature. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sun, matahari. The sun is yellow. How many sun on the picture? There is one sun on the picture. Rock, batu. The rock is gray. How many rock on the picture? There is one rock on the picture. Pond, column. How many pond on the picture? There is one pond on the picture. What is the color of the water on the picture? The water is blue. What is the color of the plants on the picture? The color of plants is green. What is the color of the rocks on the picture? The color of rocks is gray. Tree, pohon. The tree is green. How many trees on the picture? There is one tree on the picture. Animals, hewan-hewan. How many animals on the picture? There are 9 animals. How many animals which have yellow color? There are 2 animals, lion and giraffe. How many animals which have brown color? There are 3 animals, owl, deer, hippo, and monkey. How many animals which have gray color? There is 1 animal, elephant. What is the color of zebra? The zebra is black and white. What is the color of bird? The color of the beak is yellow and red. The bird feathers are black and green. Birds. How many birds on the picture? There are 12 birds. How many birds which have green feathers? There are 4 birds. How many birds which have blue feathers? There are 4 birds. How many birds which have yellow feathers? There are 4 birds. Flowers, bunga-bunga. How many flowers on the picture? There are 3 flowers on the picture. How many flowers which have yellow color? There is 1 flower which have yellow color. How many flowers which have beige color? There is 1 flower which have beige color. How many flowers which have light yellow color? There is 1 flower have light yellow color. Insect, serangga. How many insects on the picture? There are 12 insects on the picture. How many insects which have purple color? There are 3 insects. How many insects which have green color? There are 3 insects. How many insects which have pink color? There is one insect. How many insects which have brown color? There is three insects. How many insects which have yellow color? There is one insect. How many insects which have red color? There is one insect. Mushrooms. Jamur. How many mushrooms on the picture? There are two mushrooms on the picture. What are the color of the mushrooms? There are red and white. Clothes. Awan-awan. How many clothes on the picture? There are 8 clothes. What are the color of the clothes? There are white. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.